Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at the most easiest strategy or the most simplest and easy way to make money on Bybit. Alright, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Right? So the first thing you just need to do, you must make sure you have a verified Bybit account. Okay, if you do not have any, I will drop a link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up and start trading for yourself. All right, so what do you just need to do? All you just need to do is to come down here to locate down here. You locate down here, which is called N. In this N, there is a lot of activities for you to perform, and you're going to make a lot from it. In this N, you can like keep making money even when you go to bed. That is, even when you're sleeping. All you just need to do is to follow this strategy step by step so that this can actually work for you, because it has been working for me and also for my students. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come down here to click on N. If you click on N, you wait carefully, it's going to pop up. You can stroll through this place, for there is a lot of activities you can perform here, and it will be able to earn you fund. It will earn you money even when you sleep. All you just need to do is to make sure you have some available USDT for these activities. Is that okay? So scroll up. You can see a lot of adverts going up here, which is showing Dodge, it's showing BTC, and it's also showing USDT stakings. It's showing also BBSOL. So all those ones that are showing, you are seeing rightly showing you stake. It's showing you to stake. Alright? Showing you to stake. And this also showing you to stake. I have made a lot of video about this staking in the past few days. Alright, I've made a lot of videos. So you can also go through those videos, which I'll also be dropping their links at the description section for you to follow up in staking. Alright, so all you just need to do is to start staking. If you stake, you're going to make free tokens. Alright, let's say, but my advice for you always is to stake USDT. Do you know why? Because USDT is a stable coin. It's a stable coin. Your money cannot be fluctuated. You cannot have shortage. You can only make profit. But if you stake BBSOL or BTC or Dodge, your money can be short because it goes with the movement of the particular coin in the market. Okay, it goes with the movement of the particular coin in the market. So all you just need to do is to come to this place to click on stake if you want to stake Dodge. Alright, if you click on stake, it will show you a lot of coins, a lot of Dodge that you need to stake here. Okay, so position can be closed at any time before settlement. You have 0 active plans, flexible redemption. The moment you stake here, you can redeem your coin when the time is due. Alright, when the time is due, you can redeem your coin. And all product plan here is Dodge, just Dodge coin. Okay, it's just what? It's just Dodge coin. And the 50x long leverage is here. The expiration time is when? December 5th. Okay, December 5th is the expiration time of this very one. So you can go ahead to buy. Buy at 0.48 and your leverage is 50%. You can see your leverage is 50%. This is the price you're going to buy. The duration is 1 day term. Click on here to buy. Alright, you can also go for this one. The leverage is 25%. This is the rate you're going to buy, and this is the term is 1 day. They can just click on to buy. All right. So in this taking, you can buy and keep making a lot of profit for yourself, because this is the most easiest way. This is the most easiest way as a beginner. This is the most easiest way for a beginner to make money on Bybit without stress. All right. Because in this place, you're not going to be worried, okay, is my trade going down, is my trade going up? No, you don't need to be worried about that. And the minimum you can invest here is 100 USD. You can see. All right, it's 100 USD. Okay, let me see. 10 USDT is also okay. You can invest 10 USDT, but you're not going to make much. If you invest 10 USDT, you're going to get a leverage of 200x, which will be okay for you. Then with this leverage, you will be trading with roughly 200 USD. Okay, you'll be trading with roughly 200 USD, which will also enable you to make a lot from this. All right, same thing applicable for the others. If you want to stake the USDT or the BTC, you can just come to this place, follow the same procedure. On this occasion, USD is not available. Let's see, BTC is not available. Let's look at USDT. USDT is available. You can stake this one as well. Click on I have read and confirm. I've read and agreed to terms and conditions. Then you click on stake. Stake. You can also turn on this place to turn on automatic savings. If you turn on automatic savings, anything you deposited will be automatically saved, and you'll be getting a yield, a lot of profit on it. Okay, so don't forget, watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end. If you do have any question, drop it and I'll attend to you ASAP, because this is the most easiest way, like the simplest way for you to make money on Bybit without stress. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this class. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. I'll be dropping a referral link at the description section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up on Bybit if you have not done, if you don't have a Bybit account. And if you use it to sign up on Bybit, you're going to get a lot of reward in USDT, but with one criteria: you must first fund your USDT wallet with $100, and you can withdraw it immediately. It's not a big deal. Okay, just fund it and withdraw it immediately. You can even borrow money to do that. The moment you fund it, withdraw it immediately. No big deal. You will be rewarded. You will have a lot of free USDT for yourself. Right? So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.